Hi, everybody. If you're watching this video, you have made a table already with your 3 additional points in Desmos, and you have it right here. So now you're ready to do the line of regression, okay? And the way you do the line of regression in Desmos, you want to follow the directions very, very carefully, okay? So you are going to, and remember I told you we're going to save off this. So let me go ahead and save from when we created our table. Now let's go ahead and do our regression line. So the way you do this is you want to do a regression line on these points. So you're going to use this y and this x. Notice that this y is y sub 1. Notice that this x is x sub 1. So that's the way you're going to enter it in here. So we're going to do y sub 1. And literally, the only thing I did there is type in y and then the number 1. It went down on number 1 on it by itself. Now, because it feels like I'm getting ready for something, because it's looking at this list right here, it says 5-element list. Do you see that? So, and that lets me know that it's picking up what I wanted to pick up. Now, it's a regression line, so it's an approximation. The symbol that we use for approximation is a tilde, like so. So you want to put that there. Now, because there's nothing else coming after it yet, that's why it's showing that error mark. We have to finish. Like it says, you need something on both sides of the tilde symbol. So let's keep on moving. We're going to find the regression line in standard form. We're going to find it in standard form. So we're going to do a, right, x squared. To do the squared, we go ahead and you can do the caret and then the number 2, or you can come to the keyboard and just do squared by pressing this squared button here. All right, then we're going to do plus, let me close the keyboard so I have room, bx, right, plus c. Notice that it's still showing an error. That's because I haven't told it what x to pick up. So let's go back up here. What x do I want it to pick up? I want it to pick up x sub 1. So I'm going to come right back here, all right, to my x, and I'm going to type the number 1 in. And you see that? It just comes right back down there. I'm going to type the number 1 in here as well. And bam, there goes my regression line. It's in purple. It told me it was in purple right here. I can see it. And look at my R squared. My R squared said it's about 0.96. The closer that is to 1, the more I love it. All right. Now let's look down here. What's your A? What's your B? What's your C? There goes your A value. There goes your B value. There goes your C value. So this is how you write this equation. You have now found the regression line for this point. So you are going to go to your, wherever you are documenting all your work, and you are going to write your regression line like so. Y equals, all right, my A is negative 0.30337. I'm not about to write all them decimals, right? So I'm going to say negative 0.3, I'm going to do 2 decimals. How about that? 0x squared, right? That's going to be a positive 2.57. I'm going to round that to positive 2.58. So plus 2.58x. And then my B is negative 2.792. Again, 2 decimal points. So minus 2, excuse me, my C is negative 2.792. So 2 decimal points is going to give me negative 2.79. So minus 2.79. And voila, there goes my quadratic regression. All right, and that's it for this part of the project. Look out for the next videos.